How to disable OneDrive on your Windows. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily disable your OneDrives on your Windows. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you need to do is open up your OneDrive. You can find it right here on your task manager or your taskbar, or you can just search for OneDrive on your search bar. And from here, you're just going to open it up. And once you open up your OneDrive, all you have to do all you have to do is simply right click on this and then click on OneDrive. And then from here, click on settings. Now it will open up your settings menu on OneDrive. All you have to do now is go ahead and tap on this option, Manage Backup. And then here it will show you all of your backed up files. So all you need to do is toggle this option off and tap on Stop Backup. And do the same for everything that's turned on. So I'm just going to do that right now again. Turn it off and tap on Stop Backup. And now your backup will be stopped. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.